Ophir Weirdmake served as a rune priest of the Space Wolves 5th Company during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A respected spiritual leader of the Rout, Ophir would aid his legion with his manipulations of a strange force known to the 6th Legion as Weird. Unlike the psychos of other legions, the rune priests of the 6th would regard their powers as drawn from their homeworld of Fenris and deny their affiliation to those who drew power from the Warp. Forming a bond with the chief librarian of the Thousand Sons, Arzek Ahriman, during the Akhuru campaign, in order to understand the 15th Legion's use of sorceries. Speaking out against the use of the Astartes Psykers during the Council of Nicaea, Ophir would be instrumental in convincing the Emperor to decide to disband the Order of the Librarius. Years thereafter, Magnus the Red would discover the treachery of the Ruinous Powers and their influence over the Emperor's most favored son, Horus Lupercal, and attempt to warn the Emperor. Ruining the Master of Mankind's Webway project, the Emperor would command the 6th Legion to bring the Thousand Sons Primarch to Terra to face judgment. Yet with the dawn of the Horus Heresy, the War Master, Horus Lupercal, would manipulate the Space Wolves to instead assault the Thousand Sons' homeworld of Prospero. Their rivalry stoked with murderous intent, the Rout, alongside the Sisters of Silence and Legio Custodes, would burn Prospero to the ground. Ophir among them, the rune priest would be confronted by Arzek Ahriman during the battle. Still furious at the betrayal of his so-called friend, Ahriman and Ophir would battle with their psychic might. Fueled by anger, Ahriman would use his mastery of the Warp to tear Ophir's very soul apart. Ophir's betrayal repaid with the rending of his being from existence.